Seventh Sunday in Ordinary Time. What Jesus tells his disciples in the Gospel is hard to do, requiring extraordinary, even heroic efforts. Our human tendency is to repay offense with another offense, to hate one's enemy, to curse the curser, to avenge oneself on an evildoer, or at least to exact unequal punishment, is a fairly spontaneous reaction. To renounce punishment is not normal, but if we are guided by the Spirit of God and not simply by our natural reaction, we are going to return good for evil, to love our enemies, to do good to those who hate us, pray for those who mistreat us. We have to do violence not on our enemies, but on our human instinct to take revenge. We are to conquer evil by doing good. Please like and subscribe.